Welcome to Honors Anatomy and Physiology 564. I'm Mrs. Pat Abrams, the instructor. This is the 2020-2021 school year, and I'm happy to have the opportunity to present a brief overview of what we're going to be doing this year. There's a little bit about me, and I encourage you to read that so you know what my background is. I want to tell you, though, more importantly about the resources that we're going to be using and what will help your son become successful. The two primary resources I'm going to be using are Plus Portals. On Portals, you're going to find all the assignments and links necessary for this course, class notes and materials. All of that material is going to be found in the folder section of Portals. Everything is organized by chapter or by main topic, such as lab reports and also the research paper. And most of you are aware that that's where our grades are posted as well. Google Classroom we are using much more extensively. The assignments and links will be there on a class basis, and any submission of graded materials will come through Classroom. The two textbooks we're using are the Hole's Essentials of Human Anatomy and Physiology, the 14th edition, which is a state textbook that is available online. The link is on Portals. If your sons would like a hard copy of the book, if they set up an appointment with me, I will sign out a textbook to them for the year. The second book you have purchased, which is the Applied Anatomy and Physiology Workbook and Lab Manual. It's a great textbook and really very helpful for all the students. So far as academic information, tests, generally 3 to 4 a quarter. The quarter research paper, there will be 4 assigned topics. They choose one, and that will be due toward the end of the quarter. Lab reports, 3 to 4 per quarter. In fact, we were beginning one this next week. Current events are due the beginning of each month on the 5th. So October 5th, the first of those current events is due. And that's a quick overview of an article that occurred within the past 30 days. Finally, online and workbook assignments will occur with regularity. And of course, all of these are assessed. So far as the Autopsy Lab, I'm hoping we can get there. It's a wonderful experience. And if we go, I'm not sure what their status is. It's very close by. It's only about 15 minutes away. But it's a great opportunity for the young men to see the human body, exactly what they've been studying all year. And if we go, it'll be in April. So I will keep you posted on that information. Finally, we're in this together. Parents, students, and me. And that ensures your son's success. So if you've got any questions or concerns, any problems that you see emerging, don't hesitate to get in touch with me. Portals is the fastest way to get there, but I encourage you to stay proactive, stay on top of things. You know, whether your son's taking this because of a future career in medicine somewhere, or they just want to learn more about their body, I'm excited about the opportunity to work with them, and I look forward to working with you as well.